Nothing says summer comfort quite like a bowl of chilled cucumber pachadi. To make this, let's start by cracking open a fresh coconut, the kind of ingredient that makes everything taste like home. Chop this up and add it to a blender along with mustard seeds, green chillies, cumin seeds and a splash of water. Grind this into a smooth aromatic paste. Now take fresh cucumber, dice them into small bite-sized pieces and let them simmer in a kadhai with just a little water. Add in the coconut paste and give it all a good mix. Now in a separate bowl, whisk curd until it's smooth and creamy. Gently stir in the cucumber coconut mixture. This is where the magic starts to happen. Now it's time for the tadka. Heat some oil, add curry leaves and dry red chillies and let them sizzle. Pour this fragrant tempering right on the top and finish with a few crisp cucumber slices and chopped cucumber for texture. This cucumber pachadi is everything you need to beat the summer heat.